What are the largest dairy farms in Michigan? Number 5. Packard Farms. In Clare County, Packard Farms has grown to more than 3,000 cows. It's a well-known name locally, and the herd keeps expanding year after year. Number 4. E.B. Ridge Dairy. This large farm holds about 3,500 cows. Built for high-volume output, E.B. Ridge is designed around scale and efficiency, supplying milk at a major level. Number 3. Green Meadow Farms. With about 3,200 cows, Green Meadow puts heavy focus on genetics and breeding. Their goal is to build stronger, healthier cows with higher milk production. Number 2. Goma Dairy. Near Marlette, Goma Dairy runs over 4,200 cows. The farm mixes large scale with precision, balancing size with strict herd management. Number 1. Dutch Meadows. Dairy Dutch Meadows is Michigan's dairy giant. With more than 6,000 milking cows and thousands of young stock, it is the state's largest and most powerful dairy farm.